Yo, what up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. What I got here today is I got my N63 2017 N63R series engine. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop in some K&N air filters, man. It's time to get these factory ones out of here. Throw some K&N air filters in here, get this thing to breathing properly, and you know, just try to get a little bit more performance out of the engine that we can with some simple add-ons. And we're gonna start off with the K&N air filter. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so it's gonna be an easy peasy process. Pretty much what it is you're gonna need a T25 Torx bit, and that's to remove the air box cover. Get you a little driver or a screwdriver and remove it. All right. They don't come out, they just back all the way out. Good. Don't have to worry about losing them. Okay, never mind. It came all the way out. Spoke too soon. We'll leave that right there at the top. Leave it up there at the tippy top. All right, 1, 2, got 4 of them total, okay? Pretty much on each corner. So once you get that loose, all right, so let's pop this baby out right here. This looks like an intake air temperature sensor. Just gonna pop that out of there. There we go. Get that out of the way. It's been on here for a while, gang, so it's not gonna just come up easily, but just get it up out of the way. Slide this filter out of here, like so. As you can see the difference right here, it's a lot of restriction. This right here is gonna be a lot more easy flowing for the engine, okay? So there's no particular filter, you know, they're both, let's see, boom, boom, left, right, yeah. Luckily I picked up the right one, but they are there's one for each side. So let's go ahead and throw these babies back in. Pretty much tilt up on this like so. Let's see. Looking dirty under there. That's why you need them air filters, man. Be careful not to mess up your filter. Putting it back in here. And let's get it back in there. Easy peasy. I put one of these on my F450 dually truck. Big difference, man. I can hear the turbos a whole lot easier and everything. So I'm looking forward to the sounds that I hear out of this engine here. It's going to be a breeze. Something to be excited about, okay? This driver makes it so much easier. Easy peasy, gang. Snap your sensor back in place. Voila, that's it. I'm gonna move on over here to the other side right there. That only took a few minutes, guys. Literally a few minutes. All right, so I'll switch over here. And do it all over again, okay? Same process, guys. We're just on the other side of the car. Nothing to it. Back it out of there. Like so. All right, so you got a few hoses over here. Be careful. Got this last one in the corner. Easy peasy. I don't really think we need to remove that sensor. Tug it on here a little bit. It's been on here ages, gang. It ain't gonna just pop up, but it's really nothing holding it. So let's lift up on the filter, get it out of there. There we go. As you can see, it's more open over here, so we're gonna try to bring it out from the side over here. Be careful with your screws. That's why it's better to back it out as far as you can so it's not sticking out the bottom or it can damage your filter. So we're gonna get that out of there. Lift up on this. Be careful. Voila. So it'll be a little easier if you move this. Well, we can get it in there. It's no problem. Okay. So no worries, no worries. Just go and get it back in there. Like so. Slide as close as you can over here to this little hood guard rubber thingy. Let's get that off of there. Got it with my finger under here in place. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. All right. At this point, guys, we're just simply bolting it back up. It literally took like 5 minutes. Throw both your air filters in, and you're good to go. Okay. And we're off, okay? So after that, just get your stuff out of the way and throw your engine cover back in place. Set it in from the back, lay it forward, snap everything in, and you're off to the races, gang. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. As you see, that was a real quick, simple, easy install. We simply just threw these air filters in, and that was it, man. Just last week, I replaced the coil. The coil went bad on my car. I had to throw another one in there real snappy, and it took a few drive cycles before it cleared up. But after about 4 days of driving my vehicle on and off cycles, the check engine light did go away. So I was happy about that. But anyway, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, man, we're gonna see how this baby perform a little bit. I might throw a little bit, just a little drive on the end of this video, let you guys hear it or whatnot. But hey, stay tuned for more. Peace.